If you want to buy the best camping coffee maker, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different camping coffee makers on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each coffee maker are in the description box below. The number 5 product on my list is the Primula Today Aluminum Stove Top Percolator, which I rate as the best camping coffee maker for those on a budget. The Primula Today Aluminum Stovetop Percolator brings the classic coffee making experience to your campsite. Its robust aluminum body ensures even heat distribution, resulting in a full-bodied brew that will wake up your taste buds. You'll appreciate how this percolator works on multiple heat sources, from campfires to propane stoves, giving you flexibility in your outdoor adventures. With a generous 9-cup capacity, you can easily serve your entire camping group. The clear knob on top allows you to monitor the brewing process, ensuring you get the strength and flavor you desire. It's a hands-on coffee-making experience that connects you to the brewing process. You'll find the simplicity of this percolator refreshing. There's no need for electricity or complicated parts. Just add water and ground coffee, and you're ready to go. The Stay Cool handle ensures safe handling even when the pot is piping hot, a crucial feature when you're brewing over an open flame. Cleaning up is a breeze with this percolator. The reusable filter basket eliminates the need for paper filters, making it an eco-friendly option for environmentally conscious campers. Plus, its compact size means it won't take up much space in your camping gear. While the aluminum construction keeps the percolator lightweight, it's worth noting that it may dent if not handled carefully. However, this doesn't affect its functionality, and with proper care, your Primula percolator will be a trusty companion on many camping trips to come. Its durability and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for any outdoor coffee enthusiast. Taking the number 4 spot on my list of the best camping coffee makers is the Coletti Bozeman Percolator Coffee Pot, which is ideal for outdoor activities. The Coletti Bozeman Percolator is a top-notch camping coffee maker that delivers bold, flavorful brews without compromising on durability or ease of use. You'll love the robust coffee this percolator produces. The Coletti Bozeman uses a classic percolation method, which extracts more flavor from your grounds compared to instant coffee or pour-over methods. This results in a stronger, more satisfying cup that's perfect for those crisp mornings at the campsite. The all-stainless steel construction sets this percolator apart from many competitors. You won't find any aluminum or plastic parts here, which means you can brew your coffee without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your drink. This commitment to quality materials also contributes to the percolator's durability, making it a reliable companion for your outdoor adventures. Cleaning the Bozeman is a breeze, even when you're roughing it. A quick rinse is usually all it takes to get this coffee maker ready for your next brew. This simplicity is a huge plus when you're camping and don't want to spend precious time on complicated cleaning routines. The percolator's design includes a glass knob on top, allowing you to watch your coffee as it brews. This feature not only adds a touch of nostalgia, but also helps you gauge when your coffee is ready. Keep in mind that while the glass knob is sturdy, it's still the most delicate part of the percolator, so handle it with care. Coletti stands behind their product with a lifetime replacement guarantee. This level of customer support gives you peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting to explore the great outdoors, the Bozeman Percolator is built to be your go-to coffee maker for years to come. Checking in at number 3 is the rather unique Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine, which is one of the best coffee makers for camping that you can get if you want the power of a countertop coffee maker in a portable, camping-friendly size. The Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts on the go. Weighing just 670 grams, this little powerhouse is perfect for camping trips, hiking adventures, or even your daily commute. Its sleek forest green design adds a touch of style to your outdoor gear. You'll be impressed by the Nano's fast self-heating capability. In just 200 seconds, it can heat 1.7 ounces of room temperature water to a piping hot 198 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick heating, combined with 20 bar pressure, ensures you'll enjoy a smooth extraction with rich crema that rivals professional desktop machines. The versatility of this portable espresso maker is a standout feature. You can use both ground coffee and capsules, giving you the flexibility to enjoy your favorite blends wherever you are. With just one button click, you'll have a perfect espresso in 3-4 minutes. Talk about convenience. Battery life is a crucial factor for any portable device, and the Outin Nano doesn't disappoint. Its 7,500 mAh battery supports up to 5 hot shots with room temperature water or an impressive 200 plus shots with hot water. You can easily charge it using a USB-C car charger, making it ideal for road trips. The Nano's thoughtful design extends to its leak-proof and insulated construction. This means you can toss it in your backpack without worrying about spills. Plus, with a 12-month support period, you can feel confident in your purchase. Now for the runner-up on my best backpacking coffee maker list. This portable propane coffee maker is widely considered a must-have for camping enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on their morning brew. The Coleman QuikPot brings the comfort of home-brewed coffee to your outdoor adventures. You'll appreciate its Insta-Start ignition, which eliminates the need for matches and makes firing up your morning joe a breeze. With 4,500 BTUs of power, this coffee maker means business, ensuring you won't be left waiting long for your caffeine fix. Perfect Flow technology is a game changer for outdoor brewing. It maintains consistent performance even in challenging conditions. So, whether you're battling high winds or chilly mountain air, your coffee will come out just right every time. This feature alone sets the QuikPot apart from less robust portable brewers. Capacity is key when you're brewing for a group, and the Coleman doesn't disappoint. Its 10-cup glass carafe ensures everyone at your campsite gets their fair share. In just 18 minutes, you'll have enough coffee to kickstart a day of hiking, fishing, or simply lounging by the lake. Cleaning up is a breeze with the removable dishwasher-safe filter basket. This thoughtful design element means you can enjoy your coffee without dreading the post-brew cleanup. It's a small touch that makes a big difference when you're trying to relax in the great outdoors. The QuikPot's versatility shines through in its ability to operate for up to 4.5 hours on a single 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. This longevity means you can brew multiple pots throughout the day without worrying about running out of fuel. Whether you're at a tailgate, on a hunting trip, or enjoying an extended camping stay, the Coleman QuikPot has you covered. So, what is the best camping coffee maker that you can buy? All things considered, I'd say that the popular Stanley Camp Pour Over set is the best coffee maker for camping that you can buy today. The Stanley Camp Pour Over set brings the artisanal coffee experience to your campsite. You'll appreciate the sturdy stainless steel construction that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The reusable filter is a game changer, extracting those aromatic oils and subtle flavors that paper filters often absorb. Brewing with this set is a breeze. Simply add your favorite ground coffee to the filter, place it on top of the included mug, and slowly pour hot water over the grounds. The result? A rich, full-bodied cup of joe that'll kickstart your morning hike or evening stargazing session. Cleanup is just as easy as brewing. A quick rinse is all it takes to get the filter ready for another round. You'll save money and reduce waste by ditching disposable filters, making this an eco-friendly choice for your outdoor gear collection. The set's compact design makes it perfect for packing in your backpack or camping kit. You won't have to sacrifice precious space for your caffeine fix. Plus, the included mug keeps your brew hot for hours, thanks to Stanley's renowned insulation technology. While it may take some practice to nail the perfect pour-over technique, you'll find the process becomes a relaxing ritual. The satisfying drip of water through the grounds and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee will enhance your outdoor experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend warrior, this Stanley set will elevate your coffee game in the great outdoors. And there you have it, the best camp coffee maker that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a good camping coffee maker, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.